Well, my passion has really moved a long way out of my original training. I was a medical doctor trained in the typical Western medicine allopathic realm for about 17 years in academia, and I worked through 3 subspecialties in medicine with internal medicine, then endocrinology and metabolism, which is the study of both the coordination of how a whole body works together to become a single organism, as well as then the way in which it creates energy for that life force within it. That's the metabolism piece. And then as I came out of academia, I went into hospice and palliative care, and that was a really deep experience in kind of the end of life. And that journey took me through some cell biology research in cancer. So I was developing chemotherapy from vitamin A compounds to help kill cancer through an atypical way of looking at cancer model. Is instead of trying to poison the cells, we found that if we gave them enough nutrients, high-dose nutrients, they would actually go through a cell suicide, gentle approach to eliminating themselves instead of having to be killed. And so this idea that each cell knows not only how to live, but also how to die and how to give up its energy towards a rebirth of it itself was really my focus at the cell biology level. And that eventually took me into nutrition, which eventually took me deep into the soil systems of the planet to understand the root of the chronic disease epidemics we found ourselves in, and perhaps a root path for us to return to our vitality as a species and our vitality perhaps even as a planet, as we start to appreciate that life is actually a story of ecosystems rather than some sort of hierarchical species.